Mollusca. Characteristics that unify a phylum Mollusca. They are all soft-bodied, typically covered by a mantle that secretes a calcium carbonate shell in many species. They have a foot, the muscular structure used for locomotion, attachment, or burrowing. They have the visceral mass, which contains internal organs, including the digestive, circulatory, and reproductive systems. They have the radula, the rasping tongue-like structure used for feeding in most species, except bivalves. Bilateral symmetry, and they're coelomate, which means they have a true body cavity lined with mesoderm. Comparing two classes of mollusks. Class Gastropoda, which is the snails and slugs. Their shell is typically coiled or absent in some species, feeding using the radula used for scraping algae or preying on small organisms. Habitat, marine, freshwater, and terrestrial environments. And examples, garden snails and worm slugs. Class Bivalvia, which is the clams, mussels, and oysters. They have a shell composed of two hinged valves. They are filter feeders. Their habitat's mostly marine and sometimes in freshwater. An example, mussel, oyster. The adaptation of mollusks, they have the shell, which provides protection from predators and environmental stress. They have a foot used for locomotion, attachment to surfaces, or burrowing. A radula adapted for feeding on a variety of food sources, from algae to prey. Siphons, specialized tubes for intake and expulsion of water in filter feeding bivalves. Cephalization, development of a distinct head region in some mollusks with sensory organs. The ecological roles of mollusks: filter feeders, bivalves like mussels and oysters improve water quality by filtering large volumes of water and removing particulate matter. They are predators. Gastropods and cephalopods prey on other animals, helping control prey populations. Detrivores, some mollusks like certain snails contribute to nutrient cycling by consuming decaying organic matter. And habitat formation, mollusks like reef-building oysters and mussels create complex habitats that support diverse marine life.